Hi, welcome to SolidEdge 2022 video tutorial. It's a Userwish, and I think it's a very nice exercise for the thin wall or shell command. Let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is, and you could make, of course, a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So, let's have fun with SolidEdge. Okay, first I want to add two planes. So let's go here for a parallel one to this one, and the first I want to set at 100 millimeter, and the second one I want to set at 50 millimeter. And okay, now the first sketch should be on the front plane. And this could look something like this here. Close this profile and let's add some dimensions. This distance here should be 20. This should be 20. That one should be 20. And that distance here should be 65. And that one here should be 50. Now let's add some constraints. Let's put this point here and that point coincident, and then go for collinear this plane and that line. Should give me a fully defined sketch. Close that sketch, make an extrude, make it symmetric. With the sketch, accept. It should be symmetric, yes, and the distance should be 55. Finish, cancel this out. Now I want to split that body or solid with the plane, the second one, with this one, make it visible. So go to those solid or body operations and go for a split, and the target would be this solid or body, and the tool would be this plane. And there are options. Yes, that's okay, yes. Let's accept that and finish, cancel this out. Now let's hide the lower one, hide the plane, and now I want to go for a thin wall. Okay, maybe hide that plane. Now go for the thin wall. I want to go for 6 millimeters, and I want to remove this face here, that face, and this one. Accept. Now go for a unique thickness. This would be this one here and that one, and those should have a thickness of 7 millimeter. Accept. Then select this surface and go for 15 millimeter. And accept, go for the preview, finish. This looks okay, great. So the next shell or thin wall, again 6 millimeters, yes. Go for the open faces, and I want to remove this face and that face. accept, go for unique thickness, and this surface here and that one should have 5mm thickness, accept, again select this face and go for 15 and accept, preview. Almost I forgot one face, seems I forgot this face here, so go back to the open faces and select this face as well, and that should do the trick. Yes, it does. So finish and OK. Now let's hide this design body and show the other one. Great. So I need another thin wall, again 6mm, yes, and the open faces are this one here. Of course I have to make this body the active body like this and then go for the thin wall. Okay, 6mm, yes, open faces, yes, this face, that one, this one and that one, and then I want to have a unique thickness, press accept, unique thickness on this surface and that surface, and this should be 50mm and accept. Go for preview, looks good, finish. Now the second thin wall on this body, that's okay, open faces, this one, that one, this one and that one, accept, and the unique thickness should be 13 on this face and that face. Go for 13mm, accept, go for preview, finish and OK. Bring back this body, looks good, yes, and now I want to combine those two, so go for a union, select the target, this would be the target and that would be the tool, accept, finish, cancel this out. Great. Okay, I need some more extrudes, so I want to do another extrude with sketch 1. So go for an extrude, select that sketch, accept, it should be symmetric and I want to go for 5mm. Finish, cancel this out. I will need sort of a copy of this one, so go there, select it, Control C for copy, close sketch, finish, make a new sketch on the front plane, on this one, Control V. Okay, I need to trim it. Okay, add dimensions here, that should be 20. And this should be 50. And this one should be collinear to plane 5. So let's bring it in. Select it. Looks okay. And then add a coincidence between this point here this point and that point. Close that sketch. Finish. Make another extrude. Make it again symmetric. Select that sketch if possible, not this one. So hide this sketch and now select that one. Accept. Go for 14 millimeters and finish. Cancel this out. Great. And maybe hide that plane. And hide also that sketch. I will need 3 more sketches. So let's do them. So first I need a sketch on the top plane, on this one. Go for a sketch, select the plane, it will turn around, so let's go to the bottom. I need a circle and the diameter of this one should be 55. Okay. I will need a point later on for my holes, so let's try to add a point right there in the middle. Should be possible, yes. And the distance from this here to that circle should be 50. Close that sketch, finish, cancel this out, make an extrude, select that circle, accept, go for one-sided extend, and I want to go for 20 millimeter, click, finish, cancel this out, and hide that sketch. Great. Next sketch should be on the right plane, on this one. So go for another sketch, select the plane. Again, it turns around like that. I will need another circle. I will need another point. Put it right there. Yes, add a dimension. That dimension should be 55. Now this should be aligned with that point here, so go for horizontal and vertical, this point with that point here, and this also might be in coincident in plane 5, so go for coincident, this point here and that plane. Great, close that sketch, finish, cancel this out, make another extrude, select the circle, accept, again one-sided extend, again 20 millimeters, click, finish, cancel this out, hide that sketch. Great. So the last circle will be at plane 4. So just show it, go for a sketch on that plane, another circle, diameter would be 30. Okay, and the center should be horizontal aligned with this one here. And I will need, of course, another point. So put it right. Come on. No. A point. Yes. And put it right there. And the distance between the origin and that circle here. Nope. The distance between the circle and that point should be 50. Okay, close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out, make another extrude. select that circle, accept, extend step yes, and again it's 20 millimeter in that direction. Finish, cancel this out and hide that sketch. Now I need a cut. No, first I have to do the holes, not the cut. So maybe show those sketches. Go for the hole tool, go for the options, and it should be not isometric one, but a millimeter one. It should go through, yes, through next. Yeah, that would be okay. And the diameter should be 45. That's okay. Let's select that point here. First the face. Okay. Select the face. Select that point here. Close that sketch. Looks good. Finish. Next one is over here, so that would be this face. Again, yeah. This should be, maybe I should save it. Go for millimeter, go for 45. Rest stays the same, go for OK. Select that point here. Close that sketch. Finish. And the next one is up here. Select the face. Go for the options and make it 10 millimeter. That's okay. Select the point. Close that sketch. Finish. Cancel this out. Great. Okay, so maybe hide those planes and the sketches. And I want to do the rounds. Let's start with the 10 millimeter round at the top. So go for round, make it 10 millimeter on this edge here and that one. Accept, preview, finish. Next one will be 15. On this one here and that one. Accept, preview, finish. And then let's go for 20 millimeters on this edge, that edge, this one, that one. And I just noticed I forgot to make the cut, but no problem, I can do the cut right now as well. So accept, preview, finish, cancel this out. I need to do a cut with the second sketch. That's this one. Yeah. Let's go for a cut. Make it symmetric. Yes, it is. And go for 2 millimeter. And finish. Cancel this out. Great. There are 2 chamfers and a whole lot of small fillets, and I will leave the fillets up to you. Maybe do the chamfers. Let's see, chamfer. We got chain, we got options, and I need 2 setbacks, that's okay. Select not a face, I have to select a face. So maybe select this face here. Accept. And it's 10 and 15. So setback 1 should be maybe 15. And setback 2 should be 10. And I need to select that face here as that edge. Looks good to me. Accept. Finish. Go for another one. Select this face. Accept. It should be still the same. Setback 1, 15 and 10. That looks okay. So it should work if I select that edge here. Yeah, great. Accept. Finish. Cancel this out. And now there are a whole lot of small rounds, and I will stop the recording and start again if I've done all those fillets. Okay, so I finished all those fillets and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're only short of 50,000, so maybe we can reach 50,000 subscribers this year. You could follow me also on Instagram, GrabCat, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.